Hey everyone, I'm Rob and welcome to the test drive. Today, I'm gonna show you exactly what it's like to drive the 2018 Infiniti Q60. But first, I really wanna hit 10,000 subscribers as soon as possible. So here's what I wanna do on the channel. I'm going to give away two Akaso EK7000 action cameras if we hit 10,000 subscribers by June 1st. And if we hit it by May 1st, which is what I really want to do, I'm gonna give away 5 cameras. So I am so excited. I cannot wait to give these away. I'm gonna have more videos on the actual camera, and in order to enter, all you have to do is be subscribed and go to the description below in this video. It's very simple, and I'm very excited, obviously, to give these away. Now, the one that I'm driving has the 3-liter twin turbocharged V6. It's the mid-level option. There is the higher end Red Sport 400 3-liter twin turbocharged V6. This is that mid-level. But for putting out 300 horsepower, 295 pound-feet of torque, this thing really powers this Q60 very well, makes it very fun to drive. Now, getting in here, I just love the seating position that you're in. You're very low. You have these awesome sport seats that are very bolstered, that really hold you into place. And you'll see as we start to really push it around corners that you just stay in place when you're in here. And it's just so comfortable and awesome. I mean, when you're just ripping it around turns, that's really the intention of this car. Now, I have it in the sport setting right now. You have several different driving modes. Sport feels pretty good. It holds the gears longer. It doesn't really feel like it does too much else. Maybe some slight adjustments to the steering. But it does put you back in your seat. I wish it was louder though. I mean, I wish it's at least stock that it was just a little bit louder, because it is very quiet. I mean, it's pretty refined. It is a stiff ride, so you do feel the bumps in the road, and you want that in a sporty vehicle when you're ripping it around turns, when you're really, you know, driving that way and cornering and things like that. Obviously, on a longer trip, if you're just driving down the highway at 75, 80 miles an hour, you know, then you're feeling every single bump, and it's not the same as, you know, a lot of luxury sedans and that type of thing. But it's not meant to be. It's meant to be something where you can just, like I keep saying, rip it around corners and just have fun with it and really push it that way. Now, this is the all-wheel drive Q60, but you can also get this in rear-wheel drive. And I love that even in all-wheel drive, it is rear-wheel drive biased, so you can still get rear wheel spin. This car still sends the majority of the power to the rear, and I love that. It just makes it such a fun driving experience. And this thing just grips so well. I mean, you can just take corners quickly and aggressively and just, you can really push it. And that's when these seats really do make a difference, when you're pushing it around a corner like that and it just holds you into place. I mean, these are big side bolsters, and I just love that. Now, there's not a whole lot to talk about in terms of technology here. You do have these dual screens. This top one can be upgraded to have navigation. This one doesn't have that. This car is really about the drive, and it's about the driving experience. And it gives you that. Even with this entry-level twin-turbo V6 compared to the Red Sport 400, it really feels very powerful and like a lot of fun for a 300 horsepower car. 300 horsepower, 295 pound-feet of torque, it's not a ton, but you really feel all of it in this Q60. such a fun car to drive on these roads. This is so fun. I'll let you hear what this sounds from the outside of the car as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video of the 2018 Infiniti Q60. I also have a full review on my channel of this car. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know what you think about the video and this car and what this competes against, and please subscribe to my channel if you'd like. It does help me make more videos, and you'll be entered to win all of the giveaways that we have going on the channel. And to see more about that, go to the description below. I'll let you know what giveaway is going on, how you enter. Thanks again for taking this test drive with me, and I'll talk to you soon.